Hello friends. In this video, I'll share some tips on how to make liquid organic fertilizer from waste or kitchen ingredients to encourage rapid plant growth and a bountiful harvest. Making plants grow incredibly fast using homemade liquid organic fertilizer, POC, is very possible by utilizing nutrient-rich household waste. The key to successful POC is perfect fermentation and the use of the right starter. The combination of kitchen spices, papaya leaf water, and brown sugar are excellent ingredients for making liquid organic fertilizer, POC, or local microorganisms, MOL. The ultimate goal is to create a nutrient-rich, affordable, environmentally friendly plant-based fertilizer that nourishes and protects plants from pests. Brown sugar water acts as a liquid organic fertilizer, supplemental nutrient, and soil microorganism activator, improving soil fertility, accelerating plant growth, and stimulating flowering and fruiting. The carbohydrates, minerals, and folic acid in brown sugar help nourish the growing medium, strengthen roots, and provide direct energy for plant metabolism. Add a little leaf stimulant. A stimulant is something, an object, substance, or factor, that can arouse, trigger, or increase a particular feeling, arousal, activity, or response, whether physical or psychological. In a medical, sexual context, a stimulant often refers to a drug, substance that increases arousal or libido, while more generally it can be a smell, sight, or impulse. The best time to apply organic fertilizer is in the morning, 6 o'clock to 8 a.m., or afternoon, 4 o'clock to 6 p.m., when the sun is not too hot to maximize absorption and prevent evaporation. For base fertilizer, solid, compost, apply 1 to 2 weeks before planting, while liquid organic fertilizer, POC, is applied during the active growth phase. Details on the correct timing for applying organic fertilizer. Base fertilizer, solid, compost, manure. Apply 1 to 2 weeks before planting, during the final tillage to allow the soil to decompose and mix thoroughly, preventing root burn. Follow-up fertilizer, liquid, drop. Apply in the morning or evening. Mornings are preferred because the leaf stomata are maximally open. Environmental conditions. Avoid fertilizing during heavy rain. Fertilizer will be washed away, or during hot afternoons, high evaporation. The combination of papaya leaves and dried shallots is a highly effective liquid organic fertilizer, POC, and botanical pesticide, utilizing nutrient-rich kitchen waste. Papaya leaves contain the enzyme papain, which breaks down protein into amino acids for plant nutrition, while dried shallot skins and leaves are rich in nutrients. How to make papaya leaf and onion liquid soap. This combination can be made using the soaking or fermentation (MOL) method. Ingredients: papaya leaves, finely chopped, dried spring onions, shallot skins, crushed water, preferably rice washing water, and molasses, brown sugar, as a nutrient for microorganisms. Process. Finely chop the papaya leaves and onion. Place them in a container, bucket, plastic bottle. Add the rice washing water and a little brown sugar, white sugar as the active fermentation ingredient. Cover tightly and let sit for 5 to 7 days, opening occasionally to release gas. Strain the solution. The dregs can be reused for compost. Benefits and ingredients: papaya leaves. Contains potassium, calcium, magnesium, iron, and manganese. The enzyme papain acts as a poison for plant-eating pests. Dried chives. Contains nutrients that help fertilize the soil. Combination function. This fertilizer serves two purposes: as a liquid fertilizer, nutrient, for vegetables, fruit plants, and a natural pesticide to repel pests such as aphids, thrips, and caterpillars. The correct way to use liquid fertilizer made from papaya leaves and onion peels, especially POC, is to dilute it with air, generally a ratio of 110 to 140. Then apply it by watering the soil or spraying it on the leaves. The best time to apply is in the morning, 6 o'clock to 9 a.m., or afternoon, 4 o'clock to 6 p.m., and do it regularly once a week for optimal results. Application method: watering. Drip. Sprinkle the fertilizer solution onto the soil around the base of the stem, roots of the plant. Spraying, foliar. Spray evenly onto the leaves, focusing on the underside of the leaves where the stomata are located. Combination. For best results, apply a drip to the roots and a spray to the leaves. The rapid plant growth after applying liquid organic fertilizer, POC, occurs because the nutrients in the POC are in liquid form, allowing the plants to absorb them directly through the stomata of leaves and roots without undergoing a lengthy decomposition process. Unlike solid fertilizers, POC acts as a ready-to-use nutrient, increasing absorption efficiency and accelerating plant metabolism. For optimal results, POC is generally applied by spraying it on the leaves or pouring it onto the soil. Using the correct concentration, e.g., 75 to 100 milliliter per liter of water, can produce the best results in terms of flower number and fruit weight.